So here we're given the circumference of sphere A is 1/3 of that of sphere B. What is the ratio of areas? So here they're asking us for the 2D ratio, the ratio of areas. But we know the circumference, and circumference is 1D. That's a one-dimensional measurement. It's measured in units, like centimeters or meters or millimeters. So if I know the circumference of A divided by the circumference of B, since they're both 1D measurements, that will give me the 1D ratio. So the 1D ratio is just 1/3. It's 1/3 of B. Now this is the 1D ratio, which is 0.333 if I divide. And that's it. It's the 1D ratio. Now how do I get the 2D ratio from this? Well, the 2D ratio is simply 1/3. But I have to raise it to the power of 2. So I have to square this. Square it. 1/3 to the power of 2, that's 1/3 squared, that's 1/9, which is 0.111. And that is the 2D ratio. So that's the answer here. That's the answer. That's the 2D ratio. That's what we're looking for. But just for fun, what is the 3D ratio? So the 3D ratio would be the ratio of their volumes. So if I know the 1D ratio, all I have to do to this, in 3D, I have to cube it. So 1/3 to the power of 3, that's 1/27, which is 0.037. That's the 3D ratio. So how do we go from the 2D ratio to the 1D ratio and the 3D ratio? Well, to go from here to here, I just have to square it. So if you know the 1D ratio, square it, and you will get the 2D ratio. And if you know the 1D ratio when you want to get to the 3D ratio, all you have to do is cube it. So to the power of 3. To the power of 3. And if you have the 2D ratio and you want to get back to the 1D ratio, well then you just take the square root. Take the square root to go there. And if you have the 3D ratio and you want to get to the 1D ratio, you would take the cube root. The cube root. So the arrow is pointing this way. Okay, so we can go from any one to any other one. We didn't go directly from here to there, from 3D to 2D, but I can go from 3D to 1D and then cube it or square it. So if I want to go from volume ratio to area ratio, I can cube root it and then square it. So you can, with these arrows and directions here, you can go from any one to any other one.